The U.S. National Security Agency has gone to staggering lengths to hoard the private data of millions of people, but all the effort seems to have been in vain. An independent study now suggests all that information has simply failed to produce actionable results in averting terrorist attacks. RT's Marina Portnaya explains.
When Edward Snowden first revealed the U.S. government's indiscriminate collection of every American's phone data, U.S. President Barack Obama defended the program, insisting that dozens of threats around the world have been averted, courtesy of the National Security Agency. NSA Chief General Keith Alexander claimed metadata collection has thwarted 54 different terrorism-related activities post 9/11. Now, unfortunately for the White House, a new study shows that the numbers they're using, well, they've been slightly inflated, because an analysis of 225 terrorism-related cases in the U.S. since the September 11th attack has found that the NSA's program has provided evidence for only one case. Now, the study by the national-based nonprofit New American Foundation has concluded the bulk collection of data by the NSA has had no discernible impact on preventing acts of terrorism. Researchers found that in the majority of post-9/11 terrorism-related cases, tips or evidence actually came from traditional law enforcement and investigative methods. Now, these findings come as President Obama is preparing to address the nation Friday, outlining his proposals to change intelligence operations and oversight. Geopolitical analyst Eric Draitser doesn't expect the president's promises to equate into significant action.
I think that the reality is that what we're looking at is a vast infrastructure with billions of dollars invested in it over the course of multiple decades. So whatever Obama might be able to say politically, using whatever rhetorical cover he needs, the reality is that the infrastructure is not going anywhere. The scaling back is only going to be superficial because, as we know, the surveillance program itself is all pervasive. It goes to hardware, it goes to software, it goes to the companies themselves, the servers, the cables themselves. So as I said, it is a closed system that they've created. So for Obama to be able to say, oh, well, I can scale back this system, this is merely for public consumption.
Just last month, a task force appointed by the president himself also concluded that the NSA's counterterrorism programs are not essential to preventing attacks. Reporting from New York, Marina Portnaya, RT.